How to multiply two numbers. Hello beginners. Suppose you have two numbers. One is 13 and you have to multiply 3 with it. So write them in this way. Now this is 3. You know the table of 3? If you do not know, you have to know. Because if you do not know the table, you cannot multiply. So 3 1 3, 3 2 3, 3 3 9. Then put 9 here. Now 3 1 3. It's done. The answer is 39. If you do not understand the pattern, here it is. I think it will clear your doubt. Look at it carefully.